I want to share an experience that I honestly wish I had never gone through, but I'm making this video so others don't fall for the same scam. I ordered jewelry from a website that claimed it was run by a retiring artisan jeweler, someone hand-making each piece in her own small workshop. The website was emotional, personal, and convincing. Unfortunately, it was all a lie. The website stated that this artisan jeweler was retiring and selling off-her-remaining handmade jewelry at a discount. After placing my order, I received an email that said, "It truly warms my heart. I've just finished preparing your piece by hand, and it's now on its way to you. Since I handle every order myself here in my little workshop, I appreciate your patience." It went on to thank me for supporting her as she prepared for retirement. That email was designed to make you feel good, like you were supporting a real person, not a corporation. But something didn't sit right. Within 20 minutes, I researched the business and found multiple red flags and negative reviews. I immediately tried to cancel the order. Instead of hearing from Lara, I got a reply from someone else, claiming the order had already shipped. That makes absolutely no sense, especially for custom handmade jewelry, supposedly made one piece at a time. I immediately called my bank and froze my card to prevent further charges. The tracking link later confirmed the truth. The package was coming from China, not a U.S. workshop, not a small artisan studio. So much for handmade, custom, or locally made. When the jewelry arrived, it was shockingly low quality. Not even good enough for cosplay or dress up. Cheap materials, poor craftsmanship, and nothing like what was shown on the website. Many reviewers reported rings arriving without stones, wrong sizes, extremely thin metal, jewelry that looks like it came from a dollar store. This wasn't just my experience. One customer said, "I ordered 7 rings and 2 came without stones. Very cheap. This is a scam. She is not retiring." Another wrote, "The custom handmade jewelry came after almost 3 weeks. It was a cheap copy. Turns out it's from China." A heartbreaking review from Lydia Adams said, "I made very little money. I wanted gifts for my granddaughter. $100 is a lot for someone on low income. I have nothing to give now." Others never received their orders at all and had to rely on their bank for refunds. This is a classic emotional marketing scam. Fake artisan story. Fake retirement urgency. Fake handmade claims. Drop-shipped junk from China. If a website leans heavily on emotional storytelling but hides its business details, be extremely cautious. Now I want to hear from you. Have you experienced this scam or a similar one? Did you get your money back? Please share your experience in the comments. Your story could save someone else from losing their hard-earned money. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.